welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria, and in this video I am going to tell you all how you can record videos from your phone. It's super simple, it's super easy, and I think everyone should be creating videos from their phone and not waiting for the right equipment, right lighting, right sound. You can do it from your phone. You don't need anything else. So if you want to know how I film, edit and upload my videos from my phone, just keep on watching. So the very first thing that you should be taking into consideration is recording your video in 9:16 format, because YouTube prefers it like that, in horizontal format. If you want to upload your videos on Instagram or on TikTok, it should be vertical, but on YouTube it should be horizontal. Although you can upload vertical videos on YouTube as well, but then it's vertical only when someone is watching it from their phones, not from their laptop. So yeah, keep that in mind and record your videos always horizontally only. Then the second part that you should be taking care of is the lighting of your video. So I am a big believer and I love natural light. Like there's this window here and I'm filming right in front of it, so the natural light is directly hitting my face. The light should never be at your back, because then your face will not be visible properly. If you do not have a natural light source, you can use light bulbs, lamps and even artificial lighting. For example, I have this ring light. Whenever I'm filming at night, I use my ring light, but I feel natural light is the best. You don't need a ring light if you're starting out. It's just, since I've been doing this for the past 3 years, I wanted to grow my equipment and I wanted to produce videos at night as well. So that's why the ring light, you don't need it, don't worry about it. Then the third point is sound. So sound, you have to take into consideration that whenever you are recording, there is no background noise, because that's very annoying. Then if you have an AC which makes noise, turn it off. My AC is like so fucked up, so I have turned that off and I'm filming like I'm sweating literally. But to amp up your sound quality, you can always use microphone. You can find them on Amazon. Call a microphone that applies to your phone, and that's very affordable and you can use it, of course. Then how do I set up my phone? Like I'm not holding it or anything. How is my phone like just standing there? So what I have done, I have a tripod and I have attached my phone on the tripod. Wait, let me show you all. So this is the tripod that I'm using. It's very old. It's been like 3 or 4 years that I've been using it. And here's my phone, and here is this knob I have gotten from Amazon. It was not there previously, but nowadays you can find tripods with these knobs as well, those which are specially built for phone. And then there's this window right in front of me, and yeah, if you want any of these products, I can put the links in the description box down below, so you can check them out. Then the next point is you should have storage space in your phone, which is an absolute necessary. So the phone that I am using right now is iPhone 6s, which is pretty old. It's been like almost 4 years that I've had this phone, and I have recorded all my videos on this phone only, and I love this phone. Although in the front camera it does not have 4K, and it's okay, it's not necessary to film in 4K, and when I edited it, obviously it will degrade down, because the editing that I do on my iPhone, the apps are not that advanced so that they can process 4K, and 4K footages are so huge, it's very hard to edit them. So this is 1080p and I'm perfectly okay with that. So just make sure that you have sufficient storage space so that you can record your whole video at one go, like at one sitting, and then do make sure that your battery is full and all those minor checks that you have to do. The next part is the backdrop. So you want the backdrop to be simple and not that attention seeking, because you want your focus, you want the star of your video to be your face and not the backdrop. Obviously if you're creating some other kind of content, then if you want attention to be there, you can obviously do that, but then your background should be clutter free and simple and should not have much, like I have this teddy bear here and this laptop here, just 2 things that can have your attention. apart from me. So I am the main focus object here. And the next point is, while recording from the front camera of your phone, I tend to, like everybody tends to look at the screen rather than looking at the camera which is here. So this is a little tricky. You have to have a lot of experience and a lot of attention to be to have your focus. Like you have to look at the camera wala thingy and not at your face, which is so gorgeous. You are beautiful girl or guy, or I'm making it awkward. So anywho, if you're recording from the back camera, it'll be okay because you won't be able to see yourself, which is sort of a bummer. But then you have just one camera thing on which you have to have your focus on. But then I like to see myself and I like to see all the framing and stuff. So I like to film myself from the front camera, and I think that is amazing. The front camera works pretty good. If you don't have a tripod at this moment, you can use your stack of books. You can put your books like this and have your camera on standing on that. And there are a lot of jugaad methods that you can use, and it's pretty easy to, if you don't have a tripod, you can go for alternative options as well. And yeah, that is about it. That's my filming setup, and it's pretty pretty easy, pretty affordable. And I think with this, everybody should be creating videos because you have the liberty, you have the time, you have the resources. Don't tell me you don't have the resources, because you do. You have a phone. Everybody has a phone these days, and you have yourself, you have a creative mind. Just go out there and create, and don't wait for the perfect opportunity, for the perfect camera, for the perfect time to record and make videos. Just do it. Way to go. Just go out there and do it, and it's that simple. I've recorded, edited and uploaded all of this from my iPhone. So if you want to see another tutorial how I can edit and upload from my phone, you can comment down below and I'll tell you what all apps should you use to edit your videos, how what are all the other things that you should consider while editing, and I will do that. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Do share it with your friends and family if they are wanting to create their own YouTube channel someday, really soon. So yeah, share, like, subscribe. I forgot to say, this would mean so much if you could subscribe. Just hit the red button down there and turn on the bell notification if you want to, because I am going to put up very useful content, and that's going to help all of you. So yeah, thank you for your time, thank you for watching me, and I will see you next time. Stay safe, bye.